Hi, I'm Paul Skeith, a business lawyer practicing in Austin, Texas. If you run a mid-sized company, you're probably good at spotting the obvious risks: cash flow, sales cycles, competition. But the legal risks that cost owners the most, they're usually the ones you don't see coming until they become expensive distractions. Today, I want to cover the top legal risks mid-sized companies don't see coming and a few practical ways to get ahead of them. Risk number one, governance gaps. A lot of businesses grow fast and the quote paperwork doesn't keep up. Outdated bylaws or operating agreements, no clear authority on who can sign what, board member actions that never get documented. It's not a problem until you're raising capital, bringing in a new partner, selling the company, or dealing with a dispute. How to fix it? Do a simple governance checkup. Make sure your entity docs match how the business actually runs today and that major decisions are documented. Risk number two, outdated contracts, especially with customers and vendors. I see companies using agreements from 5 years ago or templates pulled from the internet or we've always done it this way terms. Then something goes wrong: scope creep, non payment, late delivery, data issues, and suddenly there's no clear remedy, no limitation of liability, no termination path, and no dispute process you can live with. How to fix it? Identify your top 10 contracts, biggest revenue, biggest risk, and refresh them first. You don't need perfection everywhere. Start where it really matters. Risk three, IP ownership mistakes. This one surprises owners constantly. You assume your company owns the website, the code, the brand assets, the product designs. But if a contractor created it without the right assignment language, they may still own it. Or an early co-founder leaves and the IP transfer was never properly documented. That becomes a major issue during fundraising, partnerships, or acquisition diligence. How to fix it? Confirm that every contractor, developer, designer, and key contributor has signed an IP assignment and confidentiality agreement, and that your trademark and domain strategy matches your brand. Risk number four, employment documents no one has reviewed in years. Handbooks copied from a prior company, offer letters missing key terms, job descriptions that don't match reality, policies that don't address remote work, devices, confidentiality, or performance expectations. These gaps don't show up on good days. They show up when there's a turnover, a complaint, or a termination. How to fix it? Do a lightweight employment stack audit, offer letter, handbook, confidentiality IP, and any non-solicit or non-compete language, and make sure that it aligns with your current operations. Here's the thing: mid-sized companies don't usually get in trouble because they're careless. They get into trouble because they're busy, and the legal foundation never got updated as the business evolved. So put a few hours on your calendar to take a look at this issue in your own business. It will be time well spent. Thanks for watching.